Hey guys, this is a video demonstration, explanation, educational video about what to do for this measuring activity. So what you're going to need to do first is you need to find something in your house that you want to measure. Maybe it's a table, maybe it's a room if you're feeling ambitious, or maybe it is a door. Something that's kind of an easy, maybe a rectangle square that you can measure. Then you're going to want to pull up the Measure app on your iPad. So swipe down and type in Measure, MEASURE, and you're going to get an app pop up. Looks like this. You all should have it on your iPad. I don't think you can delete it. You're going to get a screen that looks like this. And I'm going to measure the area and perimeter of this the little table in the classroom, the little black table. And you'll see over on the right side, you got a plus sign and the white little circle here. Using the plus sign, you're going to want to find one of the edges. You're going to see the circle and the dot with the arrow, and you're going to hit the plus sign right at the edge. And it's going to place your starting point. And you're going to drag the measuring part all the way to the other edge, and then hit the plus sign again. So I have a distance. Now remember, guys, this is an approximation. It's about 22 inches. I can tap on this end right here and fix it and pull it out because it's not all the way out to the edge of the look like. Pull it out right there. Perfect. 23 inches about. So then I'm going to want to measure the other way, the length. I'm just going to click right here on this side, and I'm going to measure all the way up to the other corner. And there I have an approximation. An approximation means it's not exact, but it's pretty close to what we would get if I pulled out a ruler. That's getting kind of garbled up there as I move around. So there you have it. There's the length of my table. There we go. I got to kind of straighten it out there. It's not 100% accurate, but it's kind of cool to use the app to do some measuring, huh? All right, so there, I've got that. I'm going to now hit the circle button, the white circle button. It's going to take a picture. And I'm going to click on that picture, and I'm going to mark it up. I want to find what is the area and the perimeter of my table there. And I'm going to hit the markup tool, and I'm going to write the formula on here for it. So I know that area equals, if I can get my pen to work, area equals length times width. Perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. So now I'm going to do my multiplication. So the area here is going to equal 31 inches, because that is in inches. I forgot to tell you guys that it actually measures in inches, times 25 inches. I'm just going to round it down. You don't have to use the halves, guys. So I would do 31 times 25, 5, 15, 0, 2, 6, 5, 7, 7. My area equals 775 inches squared, while my perimeter equals, let me see, P is going to equal 25, remember, length is always the bigger number, guys, always the bigger number. L equals the bigger number, so that'll be 31 plus 25 times 2. That's going to be 56 times 2, and that would be 12, 10, 112 inches. perimeter equals 112 inches. Or you can do 31 plus 25 plus 31 plus 25. 31 plus 31 is 62 plus 25 plus 25 is 50. 62 plus 50 would be 112. Okay, so I want you guys to save that to your photos and upload the photo. And that's it. Maybe you find something else around the house too, like, oh look, I've got a countertop here, or I've got these cabinets. I could find, oh, looks like it says add a rectangle. Does it automatically measure rectangles? I don't know. I can measure that, doors like that, and then like that. And there we go. Those cabinet doors are 15 inches by 23 and a half inches. And I can look at that, and it tells me if I click on the measurement right here, it'll tell me it in feet, so it's about 2 feet or 60 centimeters. And same up here if I click the, oops, where'd it go? And then click on the 15. And it's about 1 foot, 3 inches, because there's 12 inches in. If you have any questions, please email me or let me know.